Hello everyone, this is Josh from Patchworks. So we're just going to show you a sneak peek of the MCP Servers functionality that's being released soon. So MCP Servers have become a very important part of people's workflow with AI, and essentially they just provide AI with some information about how it can interact with your platform, in this case Patchworks, and it shows you the sort of things that that you can do. So here I'm in the new MCP Servers interface. You've got your MCP server URL up here. That will be different for production. This is just a testing version at the moment. And you've got some helpful information down here about how to set it up and add it to different AI tools. So first things first, I'm going to create a new MCP server. And what we do here is we show you just a snapshot of the tools that you currently have and some examples if you want to define your own new tools. You can come back and edit this at any time to add new tools that suit your workflow and how you interact with Patchworks. So I'm just going to save and deploy this, and this is going to take a couple of seconds to deploy. So now I've got my server running. You can see it's deployed. And you can only have one deployed server at one time, and this is the one that will receive the commands from whatever AI agent that you choose. So here we go. If I go in here, I can look at a list of available tools. So this is gathered directly from the MCP server, and it shows me what things currently are available. You can amend this list anytime you like. You can add your own tools and change anything. It's completely up to you. If I click into one of these tools, it will show me the input schema here, which is exactly what the MCP server is reading. And if I go to click the test button, it will take me down here, and here I can actually change those inputs and try and execute the tool to see it run. And here you go. So this is the content. So this is getting a list of flows from this account. And you can see here that it's got a nice paginated list, exactly as you would see on the front end. I can of course change, these page size and parameters, that sort of thing, and get lots of different things. One of the more interesting ones is being able to see what went wrong with a particular flow. So this is great. So you can use these in combination. So get your most recent failed flow runs, and then for each one kind of summarize what went wrong with them, and you can do all of that without ever needing to come into the dashboard. I'm going to ask it, can you list all my flows? And what that's going to do is it's going to work out what connections it has with MCP, and it's going to see that it's got an MCP from Patchworks connected, and it knows to use that to access your account information. So here you can see it's actually bringing back some information on all of my flows. It's just one of our test accounts, and it kind of it understands the response really well, and it knows it can give you more information based on what you actually need. So what I can do here, let's just go and ask me, can you show? And you're going to see that the Claude AI knows how to combine these different MCP calls to get what it wants. And this is really where the power of MCP and AI comes in. So here you go, it can say the most recent payload data here, the most recent flow run data, and it gives you some really helpful insights, like when it was completed, it gives you the flow run ID. So this is really the power of this MCP.